What's Discord desktop mode? Discord desktop mode is a way of using the Discord web app as if it were a desktop app. This means that you can access all of Discord's features, such as voice and video chat, screen sharing, server management, and more, without having to download and install the Discord app on your computer. You can use Discord desktop mode on any browser that supports it, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. To use Discord desktop mode, you need to go to the Discord website and log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Then, you need to enable the desktop mode option in your browser settings. This option may vary depending on your browser, but it is usually located in the menu or the settings icon. For example, on Chrome, you can click on the three dots in the top right corner and select More Tools and then Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut for Discord on your desktop that you can use to launch the web app in desktop mode. Alternatively, you can also use a keyboard shortcut to switch between desktop mode and mobile mode on Discord. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+F on Windows and Command+Shift+F on Mac. This will toggle the full screen mode on Discord, which is similar to the desktop mode. You can use this shortcut to quickly switch between modes without changing your browser settings. Discord desktop mode is a convenient and easy way to use Discord on your computer without installing the app. However, it may also have some limitations or drawbacks compared to the app version, such as lower performance, fewer updates, or less compatibility. Therefore, you may want to try both versions and see which one suits your needs better.